Welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Sean Wilkins and I am a network engineer, author, and technical editor at InfoDispersion. I'm excited to welcome you to my course, Maintenance for Cloud Plus. This course is one of many courses that are being introduced into the Pluralsight library to cover the new Cloud Plus objectives. This course is specifically targeted on the subjects covered under the maintenance objective. In determining the best solution patching methodology module, we focus on organizational virtualization and cloud patching, including the different methodologies, process, and procedures. In investigating the updating and maintenance of cloud elements through automation module, we will talk about updating and maintenance within an organization and how it can be automated. In the reviewing the different backup and restoration methods module, we discuss the different backup and recovery concepts and methods that are used within organizations. And finally, in the application of disaster recovery and business continuity processes module, we finish up and discuss disaster recovery and business continuity plans and how they are designed to ensure organizational operations during a disaster. By the end of this course, you'll have a good base of knowledge to successfully understand the different maintenance concepts, technologies, processes, and procedures that are commonly seen implemented on cloud and virtualization-based solutions. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the cloud with the Maintenance for Cloud Plus course at Pluralsight.